morning mga palangga! So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. It's almost lunchtime. Wala kaming bread, kaya kahapon nag-promise ako kay Mr. na sabi ko sa kanya, don't worry about it. I will prepare you a lunch, a hot lunch. So, hopefully lang talaga itong plano natin mag-work kasi itong idea na to, napanood ko din sa TikTok. Tayo, oy, nabuang na talaga ako sa TikTok. Hindi naman sa nabuang or sa na-addict sa TikTok. Pero nag-i-enjoy lang talaga ako kasi yung TikTok kasi is napapakita niya yung different side ko as a person. Dito kasi sa vlog, I am more on, I would say, na serious side. Sa TikTok is parang, makulit, parang carefree, wild, charot, wild. So, ilalagay ko muna to sa microwave kasi frozen pa sila. Hindi siya na-defrost. Lalagay ko siya for 30 seconds. So, hopefully, maging okay na siya. So, yung time nga pala dito is 11:45. So, maaga-aga pa. Pero gusto ko lang i-prepare para maging on time tayo. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, dapat 11:30, nandito ka na sa bahay para mag-lunch. Kasi luto na, prepared na yung lunch mo. Good luck to us! So, kailangan natin ng cheese. Kailangan natin mag-grate ng cheese. Naamisan talaga ako sa idea. So, ako naman, parang wow, meron tayong wrap. So, why not i-try natin? Meron naman kaming bread, pero yung bread namin, yung natira na lang is yung crust ng bread. So, kailangan din natin ng itlog dito. Kailangan natin ng ham. So, yung ham, kailangan natin hiwain into fine slices. We'll try. Nakakaamis yung mga chef ba na sobrang galing nila maghiwa ng very thin slices. Mostly pag naghihiwa sila ng vegetables, sus naku, ang ganda, sobrang satisfying tingnan. Gagamitin naman natin yung cheese, so ilalagay ko na lang sila in one plate para wala tayong masyadong huhugasan na pinggan later on. So, we have 6 wraps. Yung wraps natin, maliliit siya. Hindi siya yung large sizes. I hope lang talaga itong pinaplano natin mag-work kasi, naku, madi-disappoint talaga yung si Mr. Kasi sinabihan ko talaga siya na just eat what I am preparing tomorrow. Kahapon yun. Yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. And nag-shake lang siya ng head niya. Tama na siguro yan. Yan. Then, tapos, 4 eggs siguro yung gagamitin ko. Then, i-beat lang natin siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng asin and black pepper. Kaunting onion powder and kaunting garlic powder na rin. So come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Then itong egg natin, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting fresh milk. Yan. Ako talaga, inaamin ko mga palangga, bihira lang talaga ako mag-prepare kay Jan ng hot lunch kasi si Jan talaga ang gusto niya, yung pinaka main meal niya for the day is yung hapunan namin. So kaya hindi talaga ako nag-prepare ng breakfast niya, ng lunch kasi sa breakfast niya Weetabix cereal. Sa ano naman, sa lunch, sandwich lang talaga. Kaya sa mga taong nagsasabi dyan, nalutuan mo naman yung asawa mo. Niluluto naman ako, pero sa hapunan. I am undecided kung ano yung gagamitin ko na pan. Gusto ko to kasi hindi siya nag-i-stick sa pan. Kasi ito kasi nag-i-stick siya sa pan. Kasi matagal-tagal na din to. And yung parang protective layer niya pa para hindi mag-stick yung food na wala na. Dahil sa kakascrape ng mga pagkain. Let's see. Sana ba yung wraps natin? Ito yung wraps. See? Perfect size siya dito. Ito kasi malaki. Okay lang yan. Yung malaking frying pan na lang talaga yung gagamitin ko. So, pinapainit ko na yung frying pan natin. Lalagyan natin siya ng kaunting butter.
Take my hand and you will see we've got just one life, baby. So live.
Takpan natin.
I'll take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be a keep on my side.
Hinihila ko yung egg to the center mga palangga para magkasya siya sa wrap natin. Lagay na natin yung wrap. Yan. And then, try nating i-flip. Yan. Oh, nako naman. Okay lang kung yung egg nyo hindi perfect. Positive lang tayo. Then, lalagyan natin ng ham. Yan. Then, lalagyan natin ng cheese. So, ito siya mga palangga. Ito yung ginawa sa TikTok. Credit pala sa owner ng video. Hindi ko na malala kung ano yung sino yung nag-video yun. Then, if ganyan natin. And, ganyan natin. I-flip natin. And yan na. Lalagay natin siya dito. Lagay natin siya sa oven to keep it warm. Yun lang yung procedure mga palangga. Paulit-ulit. Nandito na si Mr. and we are on our last wrap. I'm just hoping na he like it.
Wow.
I hope you like it, sweetheart.
Oh yeah.
Yung last wrap natin mga palangga is a bit of struggle kasi na over siya sa egg. So, pag clinose mo siya, hindi siya masyadong nagko-close. So, anyway, ito na yung finished product. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Yan. It looks masarap naman. Oh, diba? So, ito yung last wrap natin. Yan. So, hihiwain natin siya. So, ito siya. Ganyan lang.
Leave it all behind. Stainless it's just you and I.
So, ito na yung plate ni Mr. Yan. It looks so masarap. Tingnan nyo to. And ito yung akin. Titikman natin. Masarap. Pero mainit siya, ha? Dalawang wraps lang yung kakainin ko. What do you think, mister? Is it okay?
Yeah.
I'll get you a drink.
No, I'm alright.
I'll get a drink.
Well, not much.
There you go.
The sun's coming out to play.
Why you were spying me earlier
I've just seen if
while
you,
I was cooking.
I've seen if you remembered what you said.
Of course I do.
Special dinner. Sorry, lunch.
Tapos na kaming kumain mga palangga and hindi ko siya naubos. So kakainin ko siya mamayang dinner. Sa hapunan ba? Para sa hapunan. Kasi we will just have a simple tea tonight. Kasi yun na nga. Medyo may pagka-heavy to. Do you find this heavy? Heavy food? Yeah. Yeah. So we'll have a simple tea tonight. Well, John. Hindi ako magluluto. My cake! I'm just waiting for my dessert. Hindi ko inubos kasi I am saving a space for my cake. Thank you.
Very good cake, that, darling.
Oh, thank you.
Really
There.
good. It's how it should be.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a bit hard though.
It's not hard. It's how it is.
Is it?
It's not, that's not hard. It's just because you ate it straight out of the oven when it's still spongy. Well, that's now settled down. And it's how it, if you go buy a piece of Victoria sandwich cake, that's exactly how it tastes.
Okay.
If somebody had a blindfold on and tasted that, they'd be able to tell you what it is.
Okay.
You've done such a good job. Right, I need to go upstairs to my computer.
Okay.
Then I'm going working again.
Tingnan nyo yung ating weather. Nakaka-depressing ulit. Umuulan. Akala ko kanina, nung nagla-lunch kami, iinit kasi si Haring Araw, sumikat siya, pero wali. Tumago ulit. Nagtago ulit. So, nandito tayo sa labas. We're here in the workshop because Mr. is giving you an update.
Oh, you are?
No, I'm not. I don't know what you're doing.
Go
Come on, you need to show them.
Don't put the camera around it first.
No, you need to show them. Come on.
Come on. Well, I've got the outer panels fitted on this side now, and the back. I'll just come here.
Yeah, so that's the side.
Yeah, so there.
You need to speak what you've been doing because actually I don't know what you've been doing.
I've fitted this tailgate. Yes, this now is fit and works as it should. It comes down like that. Everything's on, everything now. These are not fast. I've got to put the things in here. I'm just going to wash them now and I put them in. Take these off and then put they're just like a black vent basically. I've got the fuel cap to redo, to cut and repaint. But these are all fastened in now. Yeah.
Can you open the door?
Absolutely, yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So what I've been doing is getting them fitted and getting everything lined up, getting all the gaps right and everything, you know. So
How about on the other side?
just the rear wing is on. That's all. There's no door yet.
Nothing.
Wait for that to come back. I've got the wing and the bonnet, which is here.
Okay.
You can see that in a minute. So I've got a new in this box here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just no door.
No, not yet. But there will be. In this box here,
Which box?
this box is the new glass window here.
For here?
Yeah. It's like this, one of these things. And the new one.
A new glass as
Well,
well.
it's a complete frame, top tailgate they call it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So which is the correct one for it. And then over here is the all done ready for the vehicle.
What is this?
The bonnet.
The bonnet. Ah.
And this is the other side, front wing. And that's the wing strip. That's for mounting this thing on.
I see.
But it's looking more like a car, isn't it? Now? So, as you didn't notice, but hanging up on the thing are the rubbers for the back windows. I'm just stretching them because they got a bit misshaped. They're brand new ones, but they've been all wrapped up and misshaped. So,
Which one?
I'll show you. It goes around here, you see. Yeah. Because there's a fixed window there, but this one actually opens. It slides backwards and forwards. Yeah. And these are the rubbers here. The brand new rubbers are these. I've just put weights on them just because they got a bit misshaped. They've been wrapped up in a bag, you see. So I'm just hanging the weight on them and pulling them back to shape a bit.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, good job.
yeah,
So that's the update.
yeah.
Pupunta lang tayo sa ating shed para kumuha ng seed box. And then, pasok tayo dito sa ating greenhouse para kumuha ng lupa. Ito yung mga seedling boxes natin, mga palangga. So ito yung loob ng shed. Sobrang unorganized talaga. Ganito na yan. Natatakot akong pumasok dito kasi feeling ko kasi may ahas na nakatago. Babasain natin yung lupa before natin siya lagyan ng seeds para makatulo ba. So, ito yung seeds na nag-arrive yesterday and sinabi ko naman sa last vlog na talong to. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung pinaka-favorite ko na dish sa talong? Yung pripituhin mo lang yung talong, yun lang. Tapos ididip mo siya sa suka at tuyo. Hindi ako masyadong fan sa tortang talong. Ewan ko lang. Mas pinipili ko yung talong na piniprito. Kukuha muna ako ng blue paper. So, first time natin magtanim ng talong dito. So, I'm not sure kung itong talong mag-survive pa siya sa UK weather. Kasi kung hindi nyo alam yung weather dito sa UK, so pa-weather talaga. Meron kayang tutubo. I hope ito hindi siya matulad sa ating giant strawberry. Kasi until now, yung giant strawberry natin, wala pa din tumutubo. Ewan ko lang sa ating giant. Hindi siya giant kasi walang tumubo.
In hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of
Ibalik ko lang yung ibang seeds. Op, nahulog. So, ito sila mga palangga. So, parang ito yung before. Yan.
drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia.
Yan. Lalagyan ko siya ng name para malaman ko na kung ano to. And lalagyan ko din siya ng date kung kailan ko siya na-receive. You know what? When you say eggplant dito, you don't understand what eggplant is. Kasi dito sa UK, tinatawag nila sa eggplant aubergine. There you go. Marami pa naman tayong seeds. So, kung walang tutubo dito, magtanim tayo ulit. Then, kung walang tutubo, magtanim tayo ulit hanggang sa mas successful tong ating eggplant. So, ito siya. So, ilalagay na natin to dito. Yung ano pala, yung orchids na namatay yung stem, nilagay ko siya dito. Kasi feeling ko lang, yung orchids natin, ayaw niya kung nasaan siya noon. Kasi, yung mga orchids ko, buhay naman sila. Lalo na yung isa doon sa ating windowsill, sobrang daming bulaklak. Ito lang talaga yung namatay. Hindi naman talaga siya completely dead kasi yun, meron siyang bagong tumubo. Leaves, bagong dahon na tumubo. Ito lang talaga, namatay. So, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ito mamulaklak kasi wala talaga siyang sanga. So, hintayin na lang talaga natin kung kailan siya mag-bloom. And tingnan nyo, lumalaki na yung ating strawberry. Sobrang laki na yung strawberry natin, no? Yung strawberry natin, wala pa talagang tumutubo. Ito lang talaga, itong weed. Yeah, I think it's a weed. Pero hindi ko muna yan bubunutin. I give this plant a happy days muna bago ko siya bunutin. Lalabas lang tayo saglit mga palangga kasi kailangan natin ng bread and milk. Sa spar shop lang kami. So, magmamas ako. Oh my, it's raining! Naku naman! So, yung oras nga pala ngayon is almost 7:30 in the evening. I hope there's no queue, honey, outside. I don't have anything. I just have this jacket. I'm not queuing. If there's a queue.
Can borrow my brolly.
Oh yeah, we got a brolly. Oh my goodness, honey.
Couldn't show it.
I still did not sort my parcel.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot about it. So, ako lang yung lalabas. Si John, maghihintay lang sa sakyan. Kaya, ayun, hindi siya nakamask. Malapit na kami mga palangga. So, I will see you at home kasi hindi na ako magka-gloves. Hindi na ako magka-gloves. Hindi na ako magba-vlog. Are they still open?
Hi.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not busy.
No.
Bahay na tayo mga palangga. So, ito yung nabili natin 2 bread. Hugasan ko muna sila. 2 milk. Bumili din ako ng 2 yogurt. Yung flavor niya is peach and mango yogurt. And ito is blueberry and pomegranate. So, yeah. First time ko silang matry. So, hopefully masarap. At dahil paubos na yung snacks ni Mr., binilan ko siya ng 2 Snickers, 2 Mars, and 2 Twix. Naubos na kasi yung binigay natin para kay Mr. nung birthday niya, yung ginawa natin, yung chocolate bouquet. Bumili din ako ng 2 orange, 2 ganito ba. And lastly, sa pinamili natin, ito. Crisp. Yan. Ako naman. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa crisp, but sometimes nag-crave ako ng ganito. So, nakabili. Tingnan nyo ito, ang dami. Yan. Hope! Tapos na ako sa pagdadry nila. So, ito na siya mga palangga. Pang vitamin C ba? Yan. Ang bango. And then, i-dip natin siya sa salt. Yes. I like eating orange and dip it in the salt. The best. I know it's unhealthy, but, you know, it's okay sometimes to do that as long as you don't do it excessively. Eating it in moderation is good. Pero I won't recommend it. Lalo na pag pinya. Kumakain ako ng pinya. Dinidip po sa salt ito. So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Pagpasensyahan nyo na talaga, walang ganap. Nasa bahay lang talaga at hindi tayo, well, nakalabas tayo kanina pero after nun umulan. So, bahay lang talaga tayo. So, mag-ingat po tayong lahat and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!